I'm at Costco right now and there's so many great deals, I can't wait to show you. These Polywood lounge chairs are $40 off right now. This lasts forever. I have furniture like this that I've had now for several years. Look at these nice lounge chairs. I love how they're not completely straight and they're stackable. We just spotted a dupe for the Hulken bag here at Costco for just $34.99. If you guys have seen that bag, it's well over $100. This is a great bag to hold everything you have in this bag. It also rolls and it has a variety of handles. Lots of planter options at my store. Now, if you want it completely put together, these are really nice, $34.99. So many plants to choose from. Also check out these pink hydrangeas. They have huge 8x10 outdoor rugs right now. I need to pick one of these up because mine didn't make it from last year. They have several neutral styles. I really like this one. Let me know what your favorite is down in the comments. Let's get this one. Costco always has the best deal on rugs and they're usually pretty good quality. These are 30 inches by 45 inches and they're $4 off. If you need to replace your outdoor pillows, they have them here for $10.99 at Costco. Let me show you what your options are. You can go with this black and cream striped one. They also have this one. Love that it's neutral. It's actually a pretty good size. And then you have this blue and white one, or they have this one with the palm leaves. If you haven't picked up one of these bog bag dupes, I showed them to you on our last Costco shopping trip. They're half the price at $39.99 and they come in a variety of colors. Okay, this is ridiculous. Just when I thought Costco couldn't get any larger of a candle, these are 135 ounces. It's so heavy and it looks like a trash can. Would you guys buy this? Let me know. For all of my DIY friends, I really like this. This little Wagner paint kit has everything you need in one. It comes with 3 brushes, 2 different sizes of rollers, and the foam rollers, plus you get paint trays and plastic liners. I spotted these totes. I feel like this is a pretty good deal for the size. These Green Made totes are $7.99 right now. They are 27-gallon totes. This little Conair mirror looks really cool. It's $10 off right now, so it's gonna be $19.99. It's not working here, but it's a touchscreen mirror. It's a little small. I prefer a little bit of a larger mirror. So you have one side, you can flip it around, and it also has magnification on this side. I just spotted a great deal on an under sink organizer. This one originally $33.99, $9 off at $24.99. This looks exactly like the one I have underneath my kitchen sink from Amazon. It does the same thing where you can pull it in and out. This is great to have and a good deal this week. I've told you guys about this deal before and I'm gonna keep telling you about it until Costco raises the prices because this is the best place to buy these black velvet hangers. If you want the hangers that I have in my closet, this is the place to get them. You're gonna get 50 here for $10.99. This beverage dispenser caught my eye. I love that it has this wood stain base. It also helps it to sit up a little bit higher and it's pretty large for $21.99. These 24-ounce Starbucks tumblers are $10 off right now as well. You can get 2 for under $15. Also included, you're gonna get 6 K-Cup pods. I feel like I'm a sucker for a new pool float or lounger, but this one looks pretty good. It has handles on either side and is not gonna take up a lot of room. I mean, the outdoor section is stacked right now. There's so many cool inflatables. This mini Oasis inflatable is $234.99, and you could use this in a pool, a lake, or the beach. You can even get paddle boards and kayaks. They have this entire picnic table for $180. If you're looking for some planters to put out on your front porch, this might be a good option. I've had something similar to this. These are only $27.99 right now. Imagine these on either side of your front door. I love that Costco is now carrying Korean skincare. They have these collagen eye patches, 2 bottles you can get on deal right now, $5 off. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Costco. This overnight lip mask is on deal right now. It's $4 off. 2 of these are $15.99. This looks very similar to the Laneige. Let's try it out. Let's compare this to the Laneige lip sleeping mask. The Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask is 0.7 ounces. This one from Costco is 0.38 ounces, so about half the size, and you get 2 of these. The other thing I like about the Laneige is it comes with this scoop so you can get product out. This one from Costco does not. Let's try out the Costco one. It's definitely a thicker texture like the Laneige. I'm not picking up any scent. They both have a thicker texture. We also found one this week at Aldi. They have a version that's an overnight lip sleeping mask. That one's even less expensive if you're looking for another dupe. I will say with the Aldi one, it does have a berry scent. So if you like a scent, you may like that one. For me, I prefer the unscented. So I would go more with the Laneige or the one from Costco. But I will say the texture on this Costco one is very similar to the Laneige. Ooh, a 3-pack of Lash Paradise. You're gonna get 3 mascaras for $22.99. If you've been wanting to upgrade your food storage to ceramic or glass, Costco has this set. It's a 10-piece set, so you get 5 containers, 5 lids. It comes in taupe and cream for $29.99. They have an entire aisle of Igloo coolers, so if you're needing a new one right now, come to Costco. Let me show you what they have outside at Costco. I just walked by these topiaries. I think they look so high end and they're only $35.99. You could put these out on your patio. They would also look great sitting out on your front porch. You can also get a 4-pack of assorted veggie and herbs for $14.99. They have ferns out right now. These are pretty large ones at $25.99. You can save $20 on the Ninja Auto IQ blender right now. It seems like everywhere they have these cordless wall sconces. This is a pretty good deal though. You're gonna be able to get 2 for $29.99. They have a black finish on them and you can take them down to charge them. Costco has this entire aisle of camping and outdoor stuff right now. These Columbia outdoor blankets are on sale right now, $4 off. They come in a bunch of different colors and they roll up super compact and you can take them outdoors anywhere. These are called roll out loungers. They're priced at $54.99. They come in a bunch of different colors, but it's a 2-inch thickness and it rolls up pretty compactly. For all of my sports fans, you know this is a good deal. This is a fold up stadium chair. It's priced at only $29.99 and it's pretty thick. I think I may need to get this. Do you need this summer? It's a bug repellent fan. It comes in a 2-pack for $18.99. Right now they have this entire aisle of all the new gardening items you may need right now. You can hide your hose reel in here. This is $79.99. A new item at Costco right now are the Famous Dave's sweet and spicy pickles. They're $6.49 for a large jar. The Rayo sauce, you can get 2 of these right now for $3 off. If your kids like goldfish, it's a good time to pick them up because they're on deal this month. I walked past these and absolutely love the color on these thermoses, and they're actually pretty large. They're almost like adult thermoses. You could put a lot in there. They're selling them in a 2-pack. Check out all these fun colors for $32.99. This dual step can would be perfect for not only your trash, but also your recycling. The Dawn Power Wash is on deal for just $10.39 for 3. That's a better deal than you can get on Amazon, even though you can get 4. If you like the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, you can save money right now here at Costco. This is over $20 on Amazon. It's a 4-pack of their hand soap. Costco has it at $17.99. I've been seeing these reusable water balloons everywhere. Let's get them and see if they would work. They're $23.49. I've seen these on Amazon. I just had to get them and try them out and see how well they work. They do come with a little bag. That's nice. And the other thing, it says they're magnetic. So I'm gonna try to fill these up and see how easy it is. So I'm gonna fill up a bucket of water. Now the directions say the best way to fill up your water balloons is to open them up, submerge them underwater, and close them while they're underwater. So that's what I'm gonna do in this bucket. I'm gonna put these into this mesh bag. Hopefully they stay together before I take them outside. I'm gonna put this back into the bucket. Now, I have seen so many of these on Amazon at different prices. You could probably buy them a little less expensive, but I will say these have stayed together really well, the ones at Costco. Let me know down in the comments what you'll be picking up the next time you shop at Costco. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.